Hi! At first, this was supposed to be a simple repaint of a drywall windowsill. The surface had stains, wear marks, and all flat white paint that no longer looked good. Before sanding, I started with light scraping to remove the worst uneven spots. That's when the real issue showed up. As soon as I touched the surface, large pieces of paint and drywall began coming off. It turned out that the drywall underneath the paint was soft and damaged by moisture. The damage wasn't visible through the paint, and there was no way to discover it without scraping, which revealed the hidden defect. In situations like this, there are only two ways to fix the problem, and they are straightforward. First, repair the drywall. Second, replace the entire drywall panel. Since full replacement is significantly more time-consuming, complex, and expensive, the original repaint request was converted into a drywall repair. I carefully removed only the loose and unstable material that would not hold new paint. The exposed, damaged areas were then left to dry. Once the drywall had dried as much as possible, I applied primer directly to the damaged spots. This step seals the surface and stabilizes the drywall before repair. After the primer dried, I filled the damaged areas with joint compound and allowed it to cure fully. When the compound was dry, I sanded the entire windowsill to level the repaired areas and smooth the surface. Next, I applied primer over the entire windowsill, not just the patched areas. This ensures even absorption and a consistent finish. After the primer dried, I applied caulk along the joint between the windowsill and the window frame. This closes the gap and gives the edge a clean, finished look. Once the caulk had set and dried, I applied the first coat of white paint. After it dried, I applied the second coat. What started as a basic repaint turned into a proper drywall repair due to hidden moisture damage. But in the end, the windowsill looks clean, solid, and like new again.